So guys, ito na part 2. So, meron pa guys. Hindi to kasali guys. Hindi ako kasali. So, itong double or triple. Double or triple. Ayan. Sabu plastic. Is this. So, pipili kayo dyan, guys. Ito bang Zoe and Mira? Zoe and Mira? Zoe and Mira? Zoe and Mira? Or Romy and Mira? Or itong triple? Sila. Tawag na lang natin siya na complete. Or ito, Romy and Zoe again. Ay, iba. Romy and Zoe. Mira and Zoe again. And then, Romy and Zoe again. So, yun lang. Pili lang kayo, comment lang kayo dyan. And like, subscribe!